Hello, welcome my friend. Subscribe to the channel first. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Easy middle in the post section every day. I share difficult questions. You can also answer them if you want. This question came out in the Olympics. Great one root number question. First of all, what should I do? Let's think about it. All of these, let's separate. 5 times 3 plus 7 times 3 plus 5 times 5 plus 7 times 5. It takes a long time to write. I wrote it as root 3 plus root 7 plus 4 times 5. Later, parts here, guys. I can separate it one by one again. Root 5 times root 3 plus root 7 times root 3 plus root 5 times. Root 5 plus root 7 times. Root 5 divided by root 3. I wrote plus root 7 plus root 4 times root 5. If you pay attention now, some expressions are common here. My purpose is already mine. Catch similar terms and solve the question that way. Now, if you pay attention, in this part, I said root 3. There is. Look, here are the parts that I call root 5. Then let's take this expression to the root 3 bracket. What will come? Root 5 plus root 7. Let's get the root 5 bracket on the friend here. Root 5 in bracket root 5 plus root 7. Divided root 3 plus root 7 plus. We can write these 4 friends as 2 roots 5. Okay. Now, look what happened again with the expression here and the expression here. It means the partner has come. I can get the common multiplier bracket of this with this, Let's write it that way. Root 5 plus root 7 in bracket. Root 3 plus root 5. Divided, look what we call 2 roots 5. Need to separate the number. Root 3 plus root 7 plus root 5 plus root 5. My goal is to catch similar terms in this question. Make them somersault or something. To obtain algebraic expressions. Now, next part. I can't do anything above. I'm writing again. Root 5 plus root 7 times root 3 plus root 5. But we can apply this to the bottom. Root 5 plus root 7, so I'm trying to get the same as above plus root 3 plus root 5. Now, I can name certain terms in this question. Let's say m to the expression I call root 5 plus root 7. Let's say n to the expression I call root 5 plus root 3. Now these, let's replace it in the equation. But first let's call the result of this operation one expression like x. If you ask why, soon will be clear. See, I'm putting them what they turn into m times n. Divided m plus n. X is equal to 1 expression. Now it's a little difficult for me to solve this question this way. Then I make this expression somersault. M plus n divided by m times n is equal to 1 divided by x. Now it's easier to do this because the lower parts are the same. Then I can separate them. M divided by m times n. I expressed it as plus n divided by m times n. Now if you pay attention, m here and m here simplified with each other. In here and in here simplified with each other. Of course, this is 1 divided x again. If I continue my operations a little more. What happened? Let's write it like this. 1 divided by n plus 1 divided m is equal to 1 divided x. Now I named it in this part at first. To them, I'm taking them instead of writing. What will happen then, our expression 1 divided by... What did we say? N root 5. Plus root 3, what did we call M? Root 7 plus root 5 is equal to 1 over x. Now here we need to pay attention to these are real. The number will multiply by their equivalents. Root 5 minus root 3. What will this be? Root 7 minus root 5. When we apply them immediately, our question, root 5 minus root 3 over. The expression here is a squared minus b squared identity. Likewise, the expression here is identity. In this case, what will come from here? Root of 5 squared minus root of 3 squared, 2. Same way. This is root 7 minus root 5 divided by... Again, root 7 squared minus root from 5 squared, 2 is equal to 1 divided x. Because the denominators of the numbers are the same, these expressions, I can also write common denominator. What will happen here too? Root 5 minus root 3 plus root 7 minus root 5 divided by 2. 1 over x is equal to, if you pay attention, root 5 over there. Minus root 5 will simplify each other. Yes, what will come from here? Root 7 minus root 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1, divided x has arrived. Of course, we need to do a somersault. If we do somersaults, 2 over root 7 minus root 3 equals x has arrived. Again, the same way, I multiply it by its conjugate, so root 7 plus root 3. When we multiply 2 bracket root 7 plus root 3 over... Look, the expression here will be the difference of 2 frames again. What will the two of them come from here? Then minus 3 is 4 is x. Yes, so if we do the simplification process, these will go away. What comes root 7 plus? Root 3 divided by 4 equals x. Of course, we can take it a little more, guys. If we take a little more, this place will be 2 only by the way we simplified it. Root 7 divided 2 plus root 3 divided 2. The value we call x came out. I say it again. It was the perfect 1 Olympic question, guys, so do it in the exam. As I said, it is a little difficult to think and apply at that moment. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. If you have different methods, you can write in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.